Obviously, now is the time to prepare for the storm. Now, the good news, as Amelia just mentioned, today we are in fact enjoying warmer weather. News 4's Megan McGrath has a look at how road crews and people in our area are getting ready.
Well, it is the calm before the storm, and you can see that they've got plenty of salt. They're going to be loading up the trucks here shortly, but right now, actually, today and tomorrow, the focus is on these big tanks over here. They are filled with that pre-treatment solution, that briny, salty solution that's going to go down on the roadway. So expect to see those brine trucks out there. Give them plenty of room as they do what they have to do to get ready for this big storm. At the VDOT facility in Alexandria, they're mixing up the salt solution they use to pre-treat the roads. And the clock is ticking because it's mainly water. They need to spray it onto the roads before the temperature drops.
Today and tomorrow, we are pre-treating the roads, which we use a salt brine mixture, which is a 77% water, 23% salt mix. And what you're seeing is basically the witch's cauldron that they're mixing up right now, which is putting actual rock salt into these giant basins, filling it with water, making sure it's the right salinity, and then being able to pump it into the tanker trucks. The key is it's got to go down as liquid and it needs to evaporate to leave the salt residue, that 23% salt residue. So we are in a bit of a focused time because it can't be below 20 degrees when we do this.
As road crews gear up for the big snowstorm, residents around the DMV are getting things together on the home front.
Giant, Trader Joe's, Whole Foods, and the Walmart. Getting everything that we need.
Grocery stores are doing a brisk business today with people stocking up on the necessities.
Milk, some pizza, waffles, fruit, chips.
Yes, ma'am. We got enough liquor to fill an ocean.
And a snow shovel.
And a snow shovel, both necessities.
How are you feeling about this storm?
I'm a little bit nervous, but I'm honestly excited. I think it'll be, obviously I hope everybody stays safe, but I think it'll be a great sledding time. I'm looking at the positives.
What are you doing to get ready?
I'm doing what every Virginian does. I'm getting a lot of water. I'm getting a lot of toilet paper. Getting a lot of just snacks, just to relax.
So you're staying at home?
I'm staying at home. When I go in tomorrow evening, that's going to be it. And I'll come out when I think it's clear and ready for me to go out and be safe.
And that's what road crews want you to do. Get your necessities, your groceries, and stay at home. They don't want you out there on the roads. Once the snow starts falling, it just makes their job harder. Back to you.